Hi, this is Jennifer A. Menza, and I'm doing a video on my Ipsy unboxing. I did open it already, and I just wanted to do a video on things I had got for June. And then when you open it, it says discover yourself. And then I think it had a card in here, but I don't. Oh yeah, here's the card. Yeah, it has a card in here. Well, the first thing I got was a makeup case with like swimming women on it. And the second thing I got was the Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator by Huda Beauty. And the third thing I got is Pure Lisa Water Energizing Aqua Palm Lightweight Oil-Free Gel Cream, refreshing and more moisturizing. I'm not sure. Okay, I guess it's a moisturizer. And the next thing I got was a Hey Honey, Take Away the Drama, Youth Boosting, Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask, Exfoliate and Lift Away Impurities and Drama. And it says you have to moisturize your skin before you do it. And then I got a Ojosa Perfectos Liquid Eyeliner. It is OJOS. Let me see. I don't know if that's... Yeah, I can see it a little bit. And then the last thing I got was the Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt. Oh, I think I have heard of him. Gives a natural looking backlight glow, revives dual complexions, helps refine the look of pores. And these were all full-size products. And I got this subscription. It's $25 a month, and you pay ahead the month. So like I got it in May, but I didn't get my subscription till June. So I put it on hold because I don't know. I like what I got, but I don't think I need it. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. But I like what I got for $25. Comment, rate, and subscribe.